Okay, picking back up. I don't know if I gave this information or not. This is the beginning of this one. I think I did. February 10th, Monday, 2:38. Supposed to be in the mid-50s. I hadn't checked the temperature. Wind's been up, so it's sort of cool, even if it is in the mid-50s. Houston out of the boat ramp. Georgia 156. Calhoun's to our right, our Merchant to the left. Going into Calhoun. Maybe stop at a Kroger. Get us something for Din Din. Maybe take it on down to Ackworth and finish putting screws in the handrail. There's a red-tailed hawk there. Boy, that was a pretty nice one. I don't know if y'all got to see him or not. Ducklings, little hogs, little owls, little eagles, all kind of little creatures, all kind of little birdies hatching out before too long. I haven't checked on the berry eagles lately. That road there is a nice road to cut through, go up to, what is the name of that valley? Sugar Valley? Squiggly lines where they put tar on these cracks. This road is always rough. Heard a train a while ago, but I knew we didn't have time to get up here and catch it. So to our left is north, to our right is south. Behind us is our Murchie. Calhoun's in front of us. There's a train. Is it going, coming, or whatever? But anyway. Crossing over. This should be the Oostanala River. Yes. have a better camera from what I've read, at least. It's supposed to be a better camera than the Samsung, which I thought would be hard to do, but anyway. I don't like the editing, the way it's set up to edit stuff. Either I hadn't figured it out or I don't like it at all, one or the other. Hopefully I've just got to learn it and it'll be better. Okay, we're coming into Calhoun. We'll go right in and hit US 41, turn right, which we will be heading back south. National Guard Armory over here to our left. Now we have entered Calhoun city limits. Got a good video Thanksgiving night with the Christmas decorations and everything of this. Calhoun. Connector. 136 take you all the way over past Cloudland Canyon through Lafette, through Villanelle, through Lafette, on over, and then into Alabama. Yeah, this is the connector. 136 is on to the left up north further. Gas $2.75. We paid $2.75 at the Walmart in Calhoun. Jeep for sale. Still need a back door for ours. Back driver's side door. If you know of anyone who has a 97 to 2001 Cherokee. And also, I'm ready to start selling parts off the Grand Cherokee, that 98, the 5.9 limited. All the body parts except for the windshield. I said rear lift gate, doors, door panels, all the wiring harnesses, all of that stuff. I want some of it for the 95, but unless I decide to sell both of them. I could sell both of them and put the money in that little Cherokee and have it pretty doggone good shape. Well, it's not in bad shape now, but it does have over 300,000 miles. I could put a motor in it. Have it ready for another 400,000. And this is US 41, Georgia Highway 3. Start uploading about a 25-minute video down here at the Kroger when we go in. Maybe go ahead and put this one together. I had no idea Calhoun was as big as it is. Of course, it's the county seat of what county? Anyway, I like Calhoun. I like this whole northwest Georgia area. This Walker County. Up here where we turn it, where the Kroger is, that's where Georgia 53 cuts across. And 53, of course, starts over in Watkinsville in the east and goes all the way over through Rome and then through and down into Alabama. By Buc-ee's and Lowe's. I guess we could go into Buc-ee's just to check it out when we leave this Kroger. We'll do that. That'll be our next video. And that is on Georgia 53 spur or connector, or the South Calhoun bypass. Like to find a good van, cheap. Security light was flashing again a while ago, but we've had ordered a new computer, ECM, with the security program deleted out of the computer so that it doesn't cut the power off to the fuel pump anymore. Crank the thing, or it used to be, try to crank the thing and the security light was flashing, it wouldn't crank. Have to do a relearn. Hopefully it worked. We haven't had to worry about that since then. Okay, we're coming up on that intersection of Georgia 53. We're going to turn right, or we're going to go into the Kroger up here. So this is 53 to the right. Takes you all the way through Rome and over into Alabama to the left to take you all the way over to Watkinsville. Okay, I guess we can cut it off right here. We're just going to turn into the Kroger parking lot over there and check out the Kroger. Conestoga River snorkeling hole. Not supposed to camp here, but I don't guess it's very well enforced. Campers complete with squealing kids. Full tent set up, fire. We've got an underwater video here with the Osmo 3. We're going to get video with the Insta360, but probably not underwater. We may do it underwater. These rocks are slick, there's moss on them. Walking this river bottom is treacherous. Mother duck and her ducklings. I guess that's what you call ducks in a row, except they're not really in a row. Folks, this is a really neat little place, Pines Pond. I'm going to have a longer horizontal video with underwater video of it too. I'm not sure when I'll be able to get it up, but you see the little fish out there. This is going to be a short. You've got mountain laurel up there. You've got some mountain laurel back up in here. And this is just a beautiful little spot. US Highway 41, I think Monteague or Monteal, Tennessee.